and three kinds of Abhilasha tastes coming. Three kind of Abhilasha. The desire to attain God and Sauridya Abhilasha. And third one Anukula Abhilasha.
First Bhagavad Prapti Abhilasha.
Bhagavad Prapti Abhilasha. How to attain
Abode of Lord.
abode of Lord. This mood is coming. And second Sauridya Bhava.
Make the friendship with the eternal associates of Lord. Make the friendship with the eternal associates of Lord. जिस प्रकार
Just as like
भगवान के नित्य परिकरों
the term with eternal associates of God,
मित्रता जनित सौहृद
friendship mood is there.
सौहृद भाव जिस प्रकार जिसके साथ सौहृद भाव रहता है,
if we have friendship mood with someone, then we like to hear about them, know about them, discuss about them, right? Just as like if someone is very very deep friend of someone with very very deep friends, we open our hearts in front of our dear friends. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she opens her heart out to whom? Lalita and Vishakha.
राधा जी अपने अंतर
Radha ji,
किसको बोलती है?
her heart she is opening to
ललिता विशाखा.
Lalita Vishakha.
फिर जाकर के मंजरियों की भी
Then
बोलती रहती है.
she is also opening out to Manjaris also, especially to Lalita Vishakha. They are
अपने अंतर हृदय की कथा बोलती है.
Radharani speaks, opens her heart out in front of Lalita Vishakha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in mood of Srimati Radhika, in front of Lalita Vishakha, he is opening his heart. And Lalita Vishakha meaning Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda.
महाप्रभु के भाव के अनुसार
As per the mood of
उनके
Mahaprabhu,
निकट विद्यापति चंडीदास
Vidyapati Chandidas,
आदि ये सब जो कवियों की जो है
all these
रस कथा आदि
Raskatha poems they used to express, used to recite.
क्योंकि ललिता विशाखा
Because Lalita Vishakha means Swarup Damodar Rai Ramananda
भाव
Mahaprabhu.
जानते थे
They knew the heart of Mahaprabhu.
और महाप्रभु के हितगत भाव
And because of knowing the heart of Mahaprabhu,
महाप्रभु के भावों के अनुसार
as per the mood of Mahaprabhu, they used to recite
श्रवण कराते थे.
the Leelas to Mahaprabhu.
विशेष करके
Especially
स्वरूप
Swarup Damodar,
विद्यापति चंडीदास
Vidyapati Chandidas,
पदावली आदि कीर्तन
he used to
कराते थे.
recite Padyavalis by Vidyapati Chandidas. After hearing that, Mahaprabhu's separation mood used to increase.
राय रामानंद
Rai Ramananda,
अपने स्वरचित ग्रंथ जो है,
his scripture that he manifested,
स्वरचित ग्रंथ क्या है?
which one is it?
जगन्नाथ वल्लभ
Jagannath Vallabh Natakam.
फिर उसमें सुंदर सुंदर
In that,
श्लोकों की जो है
with beautiful
महाप्रभु
shlokas,
के निकट बताते थे.
he used to express those shlokas in front of Mahaprabhu. Sometimes
गीत गोविंद गीत गोविंद
he
की
used
कथा
to speak shlokas from Gita Govindam,
अथवा कभी
and sometimes
गोपी गीत, वेणु
Gopi
गीत,
Geet, Venu Geet,
जुगल गीत,
Jugal Geet,
प्रणय गीत,
Pranay
भ्रमर
Geet,
गीत,
Brahmar Geet.
ये समस्त गीतों की एक एक श्लोक जो है
Each sloka he used to
कीर्तन करते थे.
do kirtan from here.
इस कथा को सुनकर के महाप्रभु
After hearing this, Mahaprabhu,
इतने विरह में तड़पते थे.
he used to feel so much separation. For this regard,
नाटक विरह काले दुहे राखे परान. इतना महाप्रभु जब विरह में तड़पते थे, महाप्रभु के भाव जान करके
when Mahaprabhu was in separation, after realizing his heart, Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda,
इसमें भाव को व्यक्त
he
करते.
used to speak these beautiful
कभी-कभी
shlokas.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Sometimes
अपने
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
हृदय के स्वरूप दामोदर की बताते थे.
he used to open his heart to
स्वरूप
Swarup
के
Damodar,
कहे भाव उघाड़िया. उघाड़िया माने अपने
meaning he completely used to reveal his moods in front of Swarup Damodar.
कभी-कभी महाप्रभु
Sometimes
कहते थे कि आज मैं
Mahaprabhu said,
वृंदावन में चले गए
today I went to
और
Vrindavan,
विशेष करके
and especially
राधा कुंड के तट पर
on the
मैं
banks of
बैठा,
Radha Kund, I was sitting and I saw Krishna
गोपियों के साथ
with gopis.
राधा कुंड के जल में बिहार
He's
आदि
playing in the water of Radha Kund.
ये सब भी बता.
So this is also explained.
और उसी के अनुसार
As per that,
प्रारंभ स्वरूप दामोदर
Raraman Sarubdamodar Mahaprabhu beautiful Leela Katha also used to explain.
बहुत ही सुंदर कथा जो है ये राधा कुंड में जो है जल विहार आदि कथा
Beautiful Katha is there is water sport pastime in the swimming pastime in Radha Kund. Mahaprabhu is saying today
कहाँ चला गया
I went to Radha
राधाकुंड के
Kund.
तट पर
On the banks of Radha Kund I was sitting and I saw Krishna with his Sakhis.
जल विहार आदि
He is playing in water of the Radha Kund.
जल विहार समझते
Jal Vihar.
करके एक दूसरे
They are all throwing water on each other,
है,
splashing in the water, playing with the water, and swimming.
स्विमिंग ये समझते कहा जाता है
All
जल
this
विहार
is called Jal Vihar.
जल
Playing
विहार,
in the
नौका
water,
विहार,
playing in the boat
ये समझते
also,
कि
all
ये
this
बहुत
comes in
समझते
same
लीला आदि
category.
करते रहते।
Beautiful pastimes they are performing like this.
राधा and कृष्ण
Radha and Krishna and the gopis,
पानी लेकर के कृष्ण के ऊपर
They-
छिड़कते हैं
pick up handful of water and splash it on Krishna's face, and Krishna does the
गोपियों
same.
के ऊपर छिड़कते हैं इस प्रकार
In
जो है
this
जल
like
विहार-
this, they are playing beautifully in the
कभी
water
जो है-
of the Radha Kund. Sometimes
क्या बोलते हैं तैरना जो है वो कंपटीशन होता है
there is swimming competition
जैसे
also.
कोई लीला का
Like
सुनाता है।
sometimes Leela explained this one.
श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati
भी
Radhika,
जल विहार की कपड़े सुंदर रूप में पहन
she
लिया
is dressed up beautiful
और
in
कृष्ण भी
swimsuit,
सुंदर
and
जल विहार के
Krishna
कपड़े
also
पहन लिए।
played wore
कौन
appropriate
पहले
clothes for
जाकर के
swimming.
राधाकुंड के दूसरे
So
तट
who
को
will
स्पर्श करें।
who will win the race in Radha Kund? This is
और
the
दोनों
competition.
ही जो है
Who
जब
will
तक
touch
ने
the other
शुरू
side
कर
of
दिया,
Radha Kund first? So the both started.
ललिता विशाखा आदि दूसरे
Like
तट पर खड़े
Shaka, they
रहे।
were all standing in
और
the
कृष्ण
at
के
the
पक्ष होते हुए
other side of Radha Kund,
सखाओं भी जो है
and the
मधुमंगल
Sakhas
आदि
Madhu Mangal, all the Sakhas of Krishna were also standing there.
तो राधा जी के पक्ष में कौन है
Who is on the side of Radha?
ललिता विशाखा
Lalita, Vishakha,
सखियां जो है राधा जी
Sakhis.
के पक्ष होकर के
They are on the side of Srimati Radhika.
राधा कुंड के दूसरी तट पर खड़े रहे और कृष्ण के पक्ष होकर के कृष्ण के जो अंतरंग
And
जो
on Krishna's internal
सखाएं हैं,
friends,
जिसे प्राण
close
पृष्ठ
friends,
सखा
Pran
कहा जाता
Prishth Sakhas.
है। प्राण पृष्ठ सखा कौन है
Who are they?
सुबल
Subal, Shrida, Madhu Mangal.
ये सब जो है कृष्ण के
All they are the
प्राण पृष्ठ सखा
Pran Prishth Sakha.
सखा भी चार प्रकार के
Krishna,
सखा
five
होता है
types
नित्य
of Sakha.
सखा,
Sakha, Nitya Sakha,
होता है,
Pran Sakha,
प्राण पृष्ठ सखा
Pran Prishth Sakha.
है।
Different types of
और
Sakhas like
सखियां
this.
भी
And
कहा
Sakhi
जाता है,
also Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Priya Sakhi, Prishth Sakhi, and Pran Prishth Sakhi.
ये ललिता विशाखा आदि के
These
पास
Lalita
होता है
Vishakha are called
प्राण पृष्ठ
Pran
सखी।
Prishth Sakhi.
तो राधा की पक्ष होकर के सखियां जो है वहाँ पर विराजमान
So
हैं।
Sakhis, they are there on taking the side of Srimati Radhika, supporting her,
सखा
and
में
the Sakhas, Madhu Mangal, they are supporting Krishna, Lavanga,
सुबल श्रीदाम
Subal,
आदि,
Shridam,
ये
all
सब जो है वहाँ पर खड़े रहते हैं। और ललिता देवी क्या करती
we
है
are there and Lalita Devi, what is
ललिता
she
देवी के
doing?
काम है
Her duty is to
वो क्या बोलते हैं रेफरी करना रेफरी
to the referee, checking all the rules and regulations of the match, you know. When the two teams, when they wrestle or fight,
उसके लिए होकर के
then Lalita Devi is the, she
उसे लेकर को खड़ी रहती
she
है।
holds the whistle and she is standing. If someone does a offending rule, then offends the rule, then she plays the whistle, Lalita Devi. And
पनिशमेंट मिल जाता है
then
गलत काम किया
then the offender gets punished when he's violating the rules of the match. This is the duty of the match of the referee, counting fouls and things like this.
तो उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Lalita Devi is doing the job of a referee,
और बाकी सखियां
and
जो
all the
है,
other Sakhis,
राधा उनके दूसरी तट पर
they are
कौन
supporting
पहले
and hooting for Srimati Radhika, and
जो तैरना जो होता है सब अपने अपने ये रहता है क्या बोले
all they are,
लाइन रहता है
there are lines in the swimming.
कृष्ण कौन सा
Like Krishna will follow which path and Radha will follow which path, otherwise they both will collide with each other, drown each other. In the same, for this
वो भी
regard,
नियम होता है
there are some rules for the competition.
तो उसी प्रकार राधा जी तैर
So
रही
like
है
this, Srimati
और
Radhika is
अपने
swimming and
अपने
Krishna is
लाइन
also
में तैर रही है।
swimming in his own way.
चलते चलते
So they both were swimming.
देखा
They
कृष्ण
saw
बहुत पीछे पड़ गया
that Krishna is very far
और
away,
राधा जी
and Srimati Radhika is in front. She's about to win.
आज तो सखियां
So all the Sakhis,
सब ताली बजा
they
रहे
all
कृष्ण
started
के
to
जय,
clap.
कृष्ण
Oh,
के राधा जी के जय,
Jai
राधा
Radha,
जी के
Jai
जय।
Radha. They are all clapping like this.
और उधर सखा भी
And the Sakhas also,
कृष्ण के लिए जय दे रहे हैं,
they are saying, they are hooting for Krishna.
Krishna ki
Hey
jai ho,
Krishna,
Krishna
Jai,
ki jai
Jai
ho.
Krishna.
सुबह श्रीराम
Subal, Sridham, all they are clapping,
उत्साह दे रहे हैं।
encouraging
देखा
Krishna.
राधा
But
जी कुछ आगे चले गए,
Srimati
कृष्ण
Radhika
पीछे।
is so much far away, far
Krishna-
ahead than Krishna.
Srimati Radhika
Then
पीछे
Srimati
घूम
Radhika
के
looked
देखा,
back and she saw
एक
that
कृष्ण
Krishna
हमारे पीछे
is way too far. She looked back. Krishna was losing very, very badly.
है। तो कृष्ण मन
So,
मन विचार,
Krishna
आज मानो कि कहने लगे राधे
thinking,
तुम
Radhe,
तो तुम जीत जाते हो।
daily you are winning every day, you are winning in everything. Please let me win once.
हर
Can you
खेल में
please?
हर समय हारना अच्छा
All
नहीं
time
लगता
it's not. I don't like to lose in all the
है। यदि
games.
एक खेल में
Krishna is
हर
saying
रोज
like this.
हार
If
जाओ,
every day you lose in a
है,
game,
तो खेल में जो है
then there
आनंद
is
नहीं
no
आता,
fun at all.
है। कभी-कभी जितना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए।
Sometimes you should win or not.
मानो आज कृष्ण राधा जी के निकट
Today,
ये कह रही है,
Krishna is saying in front of Srimati Radhika or Radhe, you are winning in every time. Please let me win
जीतने
once.
की मौका दे दो,
Please.
है। तो मानो
So,
कृष्ण यह
Krishna,
है, राधा जी समझ गए,
Radha ji
कृष्ण के
understood.
हृदय को समझ
She, because she knows the heart of
तो राधा
Krishna.
जी जो कुछ भी
Because
काम
Radha ji,
करते
whatever
हैं,
she is doing for the pleasure of
इच्छा को जानकर
Krishna.
करते
So whatever she does after realizing the desire of Krishna. Only she knows the heart of Krishna.
हैं। अपनी जो राधा जी है,
Only
कृष्ण
Srimati
के
Radhika knows the heart of Krishna.
है। इसलिए राधा जी
For this
जानबूझ
regard,
करके थोड़ा सा सिर को
Srimati
नीचा करके
Radhika,
डूबे
she
बनी
put
है।
her head down and she drowned in the water.
आज नहीं। और वो तैरने के जो स्पीड को जो है कम
And
कर
she
दिया,
slowed down her speed
और
of
अपने
swimming
सिर को नीचा
and
कर
she
दिया।
drowned her. She took a dip inside.
इतने समय कृष्ण
And Krishna, in the meantime, very quickly he come in front
करके राधा
and he
अपने गंतव्य स्थान पर जो है
he reached the destination of the match and he won the competition. All the Sakhas started to clap and the Sakhis,
क्या करने लगे,
what did they do?
तो ये दुखी हो गया,
They became upset,
राधा जी हार गए।
angry. Oh, Radha ji lost.
सखा लोग बहुत प्रसन्न
Sakhas,
थे।
they become very happy.
तो उस समय
At that
सखियां
time,
कहने लगी,
Sakhis said,
"ए राधे तुम तो आगे चले,
Radhe, you are going, you were about to win. Why did you stop? Why did you slow down your speed? You were about to win.
तुम आगे आ जाते,
You could have come in front, you would have won
तो राधा जी कहने
easily.
लगे, देखो हे सखियों,
Radha ji said, Sakhis, listen, you are saying that's true.
आज कृष्ण मानो हमें कहने लगे,
Krishna
राधा तुम
today
तो
he
हाथ
said,
में
Radha, you are
मुझे
winning every day.
मौका
Please
दो,
let me win
जीतने
once.
के लिए। इसलिए मैं आज जान
So
बूझ
today,
करके
intentionally,
अपने
I
हार
let
को
Krishna
मैंने स्वीकार
win.
कर ली। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी
लीला।
लाल। इसी प्रकार जो है
So like this,
राधा कृष्ण की अनेक लीलाएं,
beautiful pastimes of Radha and Krishna are going on like this. So Radha and Krishna, these pastimes are very confidential. Dasa Vatsalya, these moods cannot understand these. Only the Sakhis have the qualification to enter these and taste the nectar of these pastimes. For this regard, all the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, they are very, very confidential. Who can know about these? Only the Sakhis. If you don't have the mood of Sakhis, till then we cannot understand these or realize these pastimes. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying, Sakhi Leela hai Katha Kathan. The Leela of Sakhis is so confidential, you cannot express it in words.
Very difficult to explain with your language.
For this regard, this is very confidential pastimes. Radha Krishna, these pastimes, they are extremely confidential.
Those who are the devotees of Sakha Vatsalya and Shanta Dasa Sakha Vatsalya, they cannot understand. केवल एक सखी गणे तथा अधिकार सखी लीला करे तथा सखी लीला साधन. Those are the devotee of Sakhi Bhav, they can understand. तो इसी प्रकार जो है
Like this,
राधा कृष्ण के
the Radha and Krishna pastimes are going on where? In the Radha Kund, on the banks of Radha Kund in Radha
सुंदर
Kund.
सुंदर लीला,
Very, very beautiful divine pastimes.
हमारे शिला विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
Vishwanath Chakravarti Pal,
संकल्प कल्पद्रुम ग्रंथों में भी
in Sankalpa Kalpa
सेवा की
Kalpadrum,
विलास के बारे में भी
he
वर्णन
is
किया
expressing about the Abhilasha of Seva.
है। विभिन्न प्रकार की
Many
सेवा
many
के
types
जैसे
of
कुंज
seva is there. Kunja seva is there.
है। कुंज सेवा क्या है?
What is kunja seva?
कुंज में फूल आदि के
Like
द्वारा
decorating
उसकी
the kunja with flowers.
सजाना है। अनेक प्रकार जो है
Many
लीला
types
आदि
of
प्रस्तुत करना
pastimes
है।
are like this.
कुंज मंदिर
Like
मार्जन
cleaning the kunja.
है। मंदिर मार्जन माने
Cleaning mandir
कुंज
marjana
सेवा
meaning
मार्जन आदि होता है।
cleaning the
मार्जन माने झाड़ू
kunja.
दे करके साफ सुथरा आदि करते हैं।
with
देखिए
broomstick
आपने अपने
cleaning.
सब
The
काम
sakis are doing like this.
सुंदर जो कुंज आदि सजाया
Very
जाता
nice
है।
kunjas they are making.
फूलों की पंखुड़ियों के द्वारा
With flower petals they're decorating the kunja.
अलग अलग दिन अलग अलग कुंज
Different days they decorate different
और वो
kunja.
कुंज कैसे बनता है?
And the kunj is decorated how?
8 प्रकार के 8 वृक्षों के द्वारा कुंज सजाया जाता है।
With 8 different type of ingredients.
4
4 tamal trees and
क्या बोले कदम्ब वृक्ष
4 kadamba trees. Through
और
these 8
इसके
trees the
बाद जो है
kunj is
उसमें
decorated first and then
स्वर्ण लतिका के द्वारा
with golden creepers.
अरे स्वर्ण लतिका आपको बताया ना?
Yesterday I
वो
explained,
स्वर्ण
right? With
लतिके
those golden
लता
creepers,
आदि के द्वारा उसके सुंदर
with
रूप में
that
सजाया
dole
जाता है।
everything is decorated in that
कुंज
kunja.
की भी अनेक
In
प्रकार के
kunja
कुंज होता है।
there are many types of
फूलों
kunja
के द्वारा
also.
कुंज
A
होता है
kunja is decorated by only flowers specifically
और लताओं के द्वारा कुंज
and
आदि
with
होता है।
creepers
पत्र आदि के द्वारा
and one
कुंज
with
भी
just a
कराया
leaf
जाता है।
kunja with
पत्र में
decorated
पत्ता आदि
leaves.
कुंज बनाया जाता है। इतने सुंदर करके रखा है। फलों के
Beautifully
द्वारा भी
and
कुंज बनाया जाता है।
with fruits.
हैं?
There is a
इसके
kunja
द्वारा
of fruits also.
फूलों के द्वारा कुंज बनाया जाता है।
So just
फलों
the
के द्वारा
kunja
कुंज
of
बनाया जाता है।
flowers, just the kunja of
लताओं
leaves,
के
just the
द्वारा
kunja
और
of golden creepers, just the
पत्र
kunja
आदि
of
के द्वारा।
only fruits. Different kinds of kunja.
फूलों के द्वारा
Different
ऐसे
art of
कुंज बनाया
decoration.
जाता है।
With the flowers, such a kunja is
ये
decorated
दूर से
that
देखने से
from
ऐसा
far away if you
लगेगा
see it will look
कि
like
कोई एक
that
फूल
it's a
खिले हुए हैं।
huge flower blooming. From far away if you see. Such
जैसे
it is
कमल
decorated
पंखुड़ियों
like
के द्वारा
with the lotus
ऐसे कुंज
petals.
बनाया
A
जाता है।
kunja is
जैसे दूर से
decorated from
देखेगा
far
कि
away if you
एक
see it's
कमल
like it will
वहाँ
look
पर
like a huge lotus.
पहचान में नहीं आएगी।
You won't identify that it's a kunj. It will
ये
just
सब
look like it's a flower,
फलों
a
के
big
द्वारा
flower.
ऐसे कुंज बनाया
And with
जाता
fruits
है।
they
जैसे
decorate a
वहीं पर जब
kunja.
पेड़ों के डाल के फल के
It
द्वारा
looks like
वो स्थान ढका हुआ है।
that place is just like a tree, fruit hanging on a tree.
पत्ते
That
आदि
kunja
के
looks
जो है,
like this from far away. And the
पत्ते
leaf
आदि के
kunja,
द्वारा ही कुंज बनाया जाता है।
that kunja looks like,
जिसको कहा जाता है
it's
पर्णकुटीर
called
कहा जाता है।
Parna
क्या होता
Kutir.
है? पर्णकुटीर।
Parna Kutir.
पर्ण माने पत्ता,
Parna means leaf.
कुटीर माने
Kutir means
कुंज भाग घर कहा जाता है।
room.
पर्णकुटीर कहा जाता है।
So
हैं?
Parna
बहुत
Kutir.
जगह में ये सब पर्णकुटीर
Many
होता
these
है।
explanations are coming like this.
है। इतने सुंदर और भी है, जैसे जैसे पत्ता होता है उसी पत्ता के अनुसार बना है।
Depending on the leaf, they are decorating different kind called Parna Kutir.
जैसे आमों के पत्तों के द्वारा
Like with mango leaves,
वो कुंज सजाया जाता है।
they are making a
आम्र कुंज
kunja
कहा जाता है।
called Amra Kunja,
क्या बोलते
the kunja of
आम्र
mango,
कुंज कहा जाता है।
mango,
आम के द्वारा
mango,
पत्तों के
with
द्वारा
even
ऐसे सुंदर
sometimes
रूप
decorating
में
with mango and mango leaves.
आम्र कुंज है ना,
Amra
बहुत
Kunja,
सुंदर है आम।
very beautiful
केवल
kunja it
आम ही
is.
दिखे
Only
पड़े।
mangoes you will see all around, nothing else. Oh, full of mangoes and fragrance of mangoes.
जैसे जैसे फल होता है एक ही
Depending
फलों
on the,
के
they
द्वारा
just use specific fruit for one kunj.
सजाया जाता है। क्योंकि योग
Because
में साक्षात उसे प्रकट कर देता है।
Yoga Maya manifests everything like this.
राधा जी की सेवा के लिए
For the service of
साक्षात
Srimati
योग
Radhika,
माया ही
Yoga Maya herself
वो कुंज सेवा
She
के सब प्रकार जो है ingredients
presents all the ingredients for the kunj.
क्योंकि राधा कृष्ण
Because
की वो बिहार क्रीड़ा भूमि बने।
It will be the land of the pastime performance of the conjugal couple. So for this regard, the nature is decorating itself to welcome those pastimes. All these kunja, different scriptures, this is
जैसे
explained
कुंज
that
कैसे सजना है
how to decorate
और
kunja.
सभी कुंजक में होता है
And
सब
different
जगह उद्दीपक
kunja,
चिन्ह रखा जाता है।
there is
उद्दीपक
Uddipak Chin,
जिसको
meaning
देख करके हृदय
after seeing it, the heart
stimulate
stimulated.
है।
So decoration and art of the kunja is in such a way that it stimulates the heart. And Yoga Maya arranged like this.
कुंज बना देते हैं। जैसे मैंने कहा फूलों के द्वारा कुंज बनाए,
Like making kunja with flowers.
केवल एक ही प्रकार के कलर के फूलों के द्वारा कुंज
With
बनाए।
just one flower,
से लगेगा
they are making
कोई
kunja.
एक
From far away you will see it's a
कमल
huge lotus. Just I explained with an example.
ये सब तो बना देते। इतनी सुंदर वो जिसमें
Very
राधा
beautiful. They're
वहीं पर
decorating
केवल
Radha
क्रीड़ा
and Krishna. They're performing divine empress pastimes in those
इसके भी
kunjas.
वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं।
So explanation is coming like this.
और ये विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती लिखा
which Bhakti Chakrapad is writing.
वही रूप में इसमें तो श्लोक आदि के द्वारा वर्णन आदि होते जा रहे
Is coming in the shlokas.
काल भी बताया था श्रीमती राधिका जो
Yesterday also I explained when Srimati Radhika with her beloved she is performing pastimes.
एक होता है
One is Shukla Paksha Abhisar,
कृष्ण पक्ष
Krishna Paksha Abhisar.
कभी कभी दिन में वो भी
Sometimes
दिवा भाग में
during daytime they are performing pastimes, but it's very very less.
दिवा भाग में जो अभिसार
The
जो है
daytime
कम होता है,
it's very less.
अभिसार कब होता है? रात्रि काल में अभिसार होता है, क्योंकि रात्रि काल में निर्जन रहता है, प्राण में कोई व्यक्ति
At night time they are doing these pastimes more. In daytime they are going, people are going here and there. There is so much noise. But at night everything is quiet.
आ जाता है
Rendezvous pastimes.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद वेणुगत में भी
So Sukdev Goswami Pad is explaining. So morning time rendezvous are very very less because there is so much noise, and at night time rendezvous pastimes are so much.
वो समझता जो है गोपियों की
Because
जीवन धन्य है,
so all these gopis are so fortunate because
न साक्षात गोविंद के साथ कैसे मिलने की
how
सौभाग्य
they are fortunate enough to meet Govinda.
और गोविंद के साथ लीला विलास करने के इतने सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुए,
And they are getting so much fortune
सखाओं
to
के लिए
perform
संभव
pastimes
नहीं,
with the
दास अथवा
Govinda.
वात्सल्य के लिए संभव
When
नहीं।
Dasa Vatsalya, other rasas
जहाँ
cannot
पर राधा कृष्ण
attain
की
this, where
अत्यंत जो कॉन्फिडेंस
extremely confidential pastimes of Radha and Krishna, the meeting pastimes are going on,
वहाँ पर
there
सखाओं की प्रवेश नहीं होता।
the sakhas cannot enter.
कभी कभी प्रिय नर्म
Sometimes the Priya Narma Sakhas Subal Madhumangal,
बाहर से
from outside, they are just putting a fan. They are not inside, outside.
ये सब लीला आदि चल
All these pastimes are going like this so beautifully. Like Leela is coming.
एक बार जो है कृष्ण
Once Krishna
भांडीवट के पास है,
nearby Bhandirvat, we go there, right?
पर भांडीवट में
In there,
राधा जी के साथ
with Srimati Radhika, he is performing pastimes. The Sakhis, they have beautifully decorated Srimati Radhika,
कृष्ण के जो सुंदर रूप में सजा,
and the Sakhas did the same with Krishna.
और
So they both were dressed, prepared to be bride and groom.
दुल्हा दुल्हन समझते हो?
You know bride and groom? What are they?
ब्राइड एंड ब्राइडग्रूम लग रहे हैं।
They all both are looking like bride and groom.
सुंदर रूप में सजा दिए और कृष्ण के भी
Srimati Radhika dressed up very nicely, and Krishna also dressed up very nicely, just as like bride and groom. And then their
लीला विलास आदि चल-
Leelas, divine pastimes are going on like this.
इतने
In the
समय
meantime,
चंद्रावली के एक सुख जो है
a parrot of Chandravali
वो आगे
came.
देखा तो ये राधा कृष्ण राधा के
and
साथ
the parrot saw, oh, Radha and Krishna, they are performing pastimes.
सुख ने की जाकर
Then the
के
parrot
चंद्रावली के
went to
निकट
Chandravali and explained everything to her that today Krishna
राधा आदि गोपियों के साथ
with Radha and Gopis, he is
हंडीरवट
in Bhandirvat,
वहाँ पर जो देखो खेलकूद कर रहे हैं।
and see they are playing there, performing pastimes.
और वो चंद्रावली क्या की
And Chandravali, what did she do?
सुख के जो है ऐसे शिक्षा दी,
She taught something to her parrot,
लेकर के जटिला के पास भेज दिया
and she sent that parrot to
और वो
Jatila,
सुख मानो ये कहने
and the
लगे,
parrot complained
"ये आज
to Jatila
कृष्ण जो है,
that today
हमारी बहू राधा
Krishna
के साथ
is meeting your daughter-in-law in Bhandirvan.
क्रीड़ा आदि कर
The parrot told to Jatila. At that time, Jatila Kotila became very angry.
और
And
वहाँ से
then
ही वो उल्टी
they-
सीधी कथा बोलना शुरू कर
they started to speak nonsense things, Jatila and Kotila.
इतने समय
In the meantime,
और फिर
then
जटिला कुटला बोले आज
Jatila Kotila said, today we will,
क्या बोले रेड हैंडेड
I will catch her red-handed.
रेड हैंडेड
I will catch Srimati Radhika red-handed.
क्योंकि ब्रज में
Because in
जो
Braj,
विवाह जो
the old
महिलाएं जो है
ladies
विश्वास
in
नहीं
Braj,
करते,
they don't believe
ये श्रीमती राधिका
that
कृष्ण के
Srimati
साथ
Radhika is
प्रेम विहार आदि का
performing meeting Krishna. They don't believe the old ladies of Braj. For this regard, Jatila Kotila, they went all around Braj to old ladies. They called everyone, come, today we will show you. Jatila Kotila told to all the ladies, I'll show you. My daughter-in-law Radha, how she's meeting Krishna. Come, I will show you all today. Then, Tattva Siddhanta is come. One is Ishta Sadhak, Anishta Badhak. What did I say? Ishta Sadhak and Anishta Badhak. Towards our worshipable, we should have one pointed faith, and we should develop that. This is the meaning of Ishta Sadhak. Anishta Badhak, this term means that how to create obstacles in their sadhan. So Ishta Sadhak and Anishta Badhak, these are the two terms, like creating obstacles. So Chandravali's parrot came and told this in Braj, that Radha is meeting Krishna. Jatila Kotila, all the old ladies in Braj, they gathered all of them and they said, come, today I will prove you all wrong. I will show you that Radha meets Krishna. At that time, there is a Shuka parrot of Srimati Radhika also. That parrot thought that I have to serve Srimati Radhika. Then, when Jatila Kotila were coming, that parrot saw and he told to Krishna. The parrot said, oh, Jatila Kotila are coming. Now you, to catch you all, that you are meeting with Srimati Radhika, now they are coming to catch you. All the gopis became afraid when the parrot told this. Jatila Kotila will come here. They will catch us red-handed and we all will be defamed in Braj. So much problem will come. At that time, Krishna said to Srimati Radhika, do one thing. Go to your house. When Srimati Radhika goes back to her house with her Sakhis, and they dress up Subal as Srimati Radhika. They put sari on Subal and they covered his face. And Krishna with Subal disguised as Radha was walking. In the meantime, Jatila came from back and he started to pull the cloth. And Purnamasi, all the old ladies of Braj, they said, you see, you don't believe me? See, Radha is with Krishna right now. Both are meeting here. When Jatila pulled the cloth, when they uncovered the face, then the whole sari opened. Then who came out? Subal came out. Jatila Kotila saw, oh, this is not Radha, this is Subal. At that time, with Purnamasi and all the old ladies of Braj, all they chastised to Jatila Kotila even more. What kind of mother-in-law are you? What? One is Sas means mother-in-law and the other Sas means also breath. One has two meanings. This mother-in-law won't let you breathe. So, Purnamasi and all the old ladies, they started to abuse Jatila Kotila. You're not even letting her breathe. What kind of mother-in-law are you?
Are you mother-in-law of Srimati Radhika, or you are just stop the breathing?
You're just not letting her breathe. One Sas means mother-in-law and the other Sas means breathe. So Gurudev is creating this, explaining that are you mother-in-law or are you not even letting her breathe? These cowherd boys, little children, they are playing here. and you are thinking that your daughter-in-law is here with them.
ये राधा जी कहाँ है?
Is he Radha? This is Subal? Are you crazy?
इसी प्रकार लीला थी।
So like this in Bhandirvan many pastimes going on like this.
एक विशेष लीला भी बताई गई।
One special pastime is also like this in Jaiva Dharma. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is explaining.
संकेत दिया, हैं?
He indicated like little bit
रस विचार तत्व
in Rasa Vichar Tattva.
इसमें ये भी
It is written.
जिन्होंने पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा?
Have you read Jaiva Dharma or not?
पढ़ा को,
You should read.
हैं? हाँ, बहुत सुंदर इसमें लीला।
Very beautiful Leela Kathas are
इसी तरह
there.
एक होता है इष्ट साधक
One is
और
Ishta Sadhak,
अनिष्ट
Anishta Badhak.
इस फेवरेबल फॉर इष्ट साधक कहा जाता है।
Ishta Sadhak means favorable for his worshipable, and Anishta Badhak means
हैं?
cause obstacle.
ओवरकम द ऑब्स्टैकल्स, इसी प्रकार।
Overcome the
ये सुबल,
obstacles.
ये सुबल जो गोपी के रूप धारण करके जो कपड़ा
तो सुबल-
राधा जी को ये क्या हो गया? राधा कृष्ण की लीला में ये साथ है।
So Subal assisted in the pastimes of Radha and Krishna by disguising, by wearing sari. So Jatila Kutila thought that this is Radha.
किंतु तो राधा जी नहीं है,
But it
वो
was
है
not
कौन?
Radha. Who was he? He was Subal.
हैं? इसलिए ये समस्त लीला आदि
So all these pastimes are going on like this.
है, बहुत सुंदर सुंदर लीला आदि कुंजों के आदि लीला में होती रहती है।
And very beautiful pastimes in the Kunja also. Just I explained that.
सीताम्बुज,
Sitambuj.
क्या बोलते हैं, कुंजो कहा जाता है।
Very Sitambuj
श्वेत
Kunja.
अम्बुज, श्वेत माने सफेद,
Seto Ambuj. Seto means white.
कमल।
Ambuja means lotus. So
वो
Kunja of
जैसे
white
श्वेत
lotus.
कमल के द्वारा, सफेद
So
कमल
it's a
कमल
Kunja
के
of
द्वारा
white lotus.
सजाया जाता है।
So Kunja is decorated only with white lotus. It's called
नीलाम्बुज
Sitambuj.
को कहा जाता है।
Then there is
नील कमल के
Nilambuj
द्वारा
with the blue lotuses.
वो कमल
That
के-
Kunja is decorated only with blue lotuses.
है। इस प्रकार
Like
विभिन्न
this,
और अलग
different
अलग
different
अलग रूप में इसे लीला है।
different days, different kunjas are
कृष्णदास कविराज
prepared.
कह रहे
So
हैं,
Krishna's Kaviraj is saying
वात्सल्यादि नहीं, ये
that's
सब
a Vatsalya. They cannot
सभी
know about
सखी
this.
करें, तथा अधिकार
Only the
सखी-
Sakhis can know
सखी
about
लीला
this.
करे सदा, सखी लीला असम। सखियां इसी प्रकार जो लीला आदि करती
Like
हैं।
these Sakhis are performing pastimes.
जैसे मैंने कहा था, भांडीर भट्ट की
In
लीला,
Bhandirvat
राधा
pastime,
कुंड में ऐसी लीला थी।
Radha
ये
Kunda
सब लीला कौन
Leela,
कराती
all
है?
these
सब
Leela,
कौन
who is doing? Who is
Director
arranging?
कौन?
Who is the director of all these pastime? All these Sakhis.
है?
They direct the pastime.
नाटक अभिनय अच्छा होगा, दर्शक
The theater will be nice.
कुछ भी होगा,
Whatever,
उसके
everything,
निर्भर किसको कहते हैं?
everything depends on the
डायरेक्टर।
director. That how the play is, what's the script, everything. You see Ramanand Sagar
अपने जो है
Ramayan,
डायरेक्टर
Ramanand Sagar was the main director,
निर्देश देते
directing
हैं।
everyone.
जो निर्देश देते हैं,
One who directs everyone, what to do, how to do, when to do, like
वो
this.
स्वयं लीला नहीं कर रहे हैं।
Himself, he is not acting in the
वो
in the
सारी
play.
लीलाओं को
He is directing all the actors, all the heroes and heroines. He is instructing them, okay, you have to do this, this, like this. Ramanand
वो स्वयं
Sagar
जो लीला नहीं किया,
did not do any pastime himself.
डायरेक्टर ने किया।
Like he did not
इसलिए
act himself.
जितनी भी
He's,
लीला आदि जो है,
so all the
ये
leelas,
समस्त लीला सभी के साथ
all these
होता है।
leelas are successful.
इसके ऊपर निर्भर करता है
Depends on
डायरेक्टर।
the director.
नाचने वाले तो किसी भी नाचे,
The dancer can dance as they like. Sometimes they are picking their left hand up, right hand up, anyhow.
हैं? हाँ जी। किंतु
But
उसके एक्सप्रेशन करना जो है,
to
वो
express
किसको
it,
करते हैं?
it all depends on the director of that performance.
डायरेक्टर यदि ठीक
If
नहीं
director
हो,
is not good,
जो नृत्य करने वाले जो है,
the dancers,
वो ठीक
they won't be able to perform
नहीं,
properly.
सब कुछ दिखा देंगे।
The group dance won't be nice if everything is not directed to them properly.
काल आप-
Like yesterday you did Kunja Sajago, day before yesterday. When the Kunja Sajago,
उड़ेल बिछाना और ताते दाव, हैं? क्या बोलते हैं? तो कोई एक बैठे
lyric
नहीं,
of the song, I don't know.
उसे बैठना पड़ता है। फूलों की
Like there's a lyric, you have to sit down in it and you have to
क्या बोलते हैं? सुगंधी दिया जाता है।
like put, you have to express the art that is connected to the lyrics of the song.
नहीं तो दर्शक
Otherwise,
आकर्षित नहीं हो।
the people won't be entertained or they won't like properly. they won't be attracted.
उसी प्रकार डायरेक्टर जो होता है,
The director is very, very important
एक नाटक के बाद प्रस्तुत करने
to express a theater or a play.
कितने समय लग जाता
It takes so much time to prepare it. Understand? Otherwise, someone is picking right hand up on the other side, other person is looking that side, picking up left hand, right hand. No, you have to practice.
और ये प्रैक्टिस करेंगे
And if you practice
इसके अनुगत्य में
under the guidance of whom?
डायरेक्टर
Under the guidance of the director.
डायरेक्टर वो संगीत नहीं करते, वो
The director is not dancing herself. She gives instruction to all the performers. Okay, this you have to do like this, and everything depends on that.
और क्योंकि
The whole performance is dependent on that, because in these art forms,
संचालन
the movement of all the body parts,
उसको निर्भर करता
it depends on this. Dependent on this.
है। How to move of your limbs and body, उसके ऊपर ही निर्भर करता है।
It depends on this.
संताओं के जब भगवान
Then the viewers get attracted.
कीर्तन तो सभी सुनते हैं।
Everyone hears the kirtan like
रिकॉर्ड में कीर्तन सुनो,
you can listen to kirtan, but that kirtan,
नृत्य आदि कला के
when it is
द्वारा
expressed through the form of dance, people get attracted.
आप इसलिए कह रहे हैं,
I'm saying this because
इसमें
Radha Krishna, all these pastimes,
इसमें से कि एक डायरेक्टर बनते हैं।
like all these Sakhis become a director of those pastimes.
डायरेक्टर कौन बनता है?
Who becomes the director?
ललिता आदि सब
Lalita, and she is becoming the director. Purnamasi, all the Yogmaya, Purnamasi, they become the directors of the pastimes.
और बाकी सब क्या है?
And all others, they are
लेबर का है,
the labor, those who are working in it.
काम करने वाला है।
Like they are working in that theater, you can say. Those who work, they are called labor. What is the duty of a labor?
सीमेंट अथवा
Just they mix the cement and mud. They just carry on the cement on their bags, and where to put, how to put cement, where to mix, how to mix, everything depends on the director who is instructing them how to construct. They can carry the weight on their backs. The mud and cement they are carrying on their bags, but where you have to put, how to put on, for that, who is teaching this? Who is telling this? The labor is carrying it, but putting, how to organize cement, how to mix, everything director is teaching. If the director is good, then the performance will be good, and the people will be attracted more and more. For this regard, what I am saying is that इष्ट साधक अनिष्ट बाधक.
इष्ट की अपने इष्ट वस्तु में कैसे प्रीति हो?
How to develop love towards the worshipable. So this thought is coming again and again. And Anishta Badhak,
अनिष्ट जो है वो कैसे बाधा अनिष्ट
that how to overcome the obstacle.
how they free from all kinds of
How to be free from all kinds of distress and unhappiness.
ये क्रिया नहीं करते।
So like this they are thinking.
ये समस्त क्रिया सभी जो क्रिया निर्भर करता है
Everything is depend upon the director.
यही बताते जा रहे हैं।
So like this explanation is coming.
जैसे महाप्रभु की लीला में दिखा
So in Mahaprabhu's first time, Gadadhar Pandit stayed where?
राधा पंडित रहे
He stayed in Tota Gopinath.
और महाप्रभु कहाँ रहे? गंभीरा।
And Mahaprabhu stayed in
और
Gambhira.
देखो वही गंभीरा में रह करके
And staying in Gambhira, Gadadhar,
है महाप्रभु के सारे भावों को जो है उंगली के द्वारा सिखा रहे हैं।
he is teaching the Mahaprabhu's mood through his instruction. From a material perspective, we are seeing Mahaprabhu is someplace else.
गंभीरा
He is
में
in Gambhira.
और
And
गोपीनाथ
Gopinath, Gadadhar
छोटा
is in Tota Gopinath.
किंतु श्रीमती
But
विजन के
Srimati Radhika, through transcendental vision, she is
जो है दर्शन कर रही है
taking darshan of all the pastimes of Krishna, and how to manifest pastimes further she is explaining who is Srimati Radhika.
आज तो राधा जी क्या बन जाते हैं?
And Srimati Radhika becomes what? She becomes director in some cases. If the director is not good, the pastime won't be proper also.
Understand? गला की भी साथ भी सुंदर हो, नृत्य कला भी अच्छी हो.
The music needs to be good, dance needs to be good, but everything depends on the director. In this regard, these pastimes are extremely confidential.
सब एक सखी गणे तथा अधिकार, और सखी लीला करे तथा सखी लीला आस्वाद.
Only the Sakhis can relish these pastimes. The Sakhis, they are arranging for these pastimes and then they drink the nectar of these pastimes. Only the Sakhis. Like about Abhisar, Rendezvous pastimes, it is explained one is Shukla Paksha and another one is Krishna Paksha, Rendezvous pastimes. But Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they prefer which Rendezvous pastimes? Which one? Tell me. Shukla Paksha Abhisar, meaning the Shukla Paksha Rendezvous pastimes, because the Ras is going on during that period. And Krishna Paksha, only they are playing in Kunj. Vilas in Kunj. Moon, then the Leela won't manifest. The Ras cannot manifest without the moon. For this regard, Basantik Ras is coming, the spring season Ras. When Krishna started to perform Ras with the Srimati Radhika, the moon became still. It stopped moving. So to remember this pastime, Krishna's great grandson, he manifested a beautiful kunda. It's called Chandra Sarovar, that place. Because Leelas are like this. You didn't go to Chandra Sarovar?
Last year we went, but this year we didn't go.
Every year you have to go different places, not same place every year. Okay, no problem. By body, if you can't go, then go by mind. What's the problem? By Katha, you can go We are sitting here right now, we are in Chandra Sarovar because we are discussing the Katha of there. You are there or not? Just close your eyes and right now you will go to Chandra Sarovar, you can see. Otherwise, you will sleep. I'm saying this because all these pastimes depend on the director. They are instructing the gopis like this. Dorai Ramanand with the gopis used to Rai Ramanand did not used to perform himself. Rai Ramanand, like the gopis, did not do pastime either. He was teaching the little girls. He used to dress them up very nicely and he used to teach them. Rai Ramanand used to teach them all. The little girls, little gopis, he used to teach that in this lila you have to do like this, move your hand like this. You have to give a sidelong glance like this, move your face like this. Which way you have to move your leg? You have to put it in front or at the back. You have to bend your leg. Everything he was teaching, and everything depends on this. But the hard work is, the performers are not working hard enough as you compare. The most hard effort is done by the director. We are thinking, oh, director is not doing, he's just he or she is just standing. Just no. Director is making a lot of efforts. This is the thing. I'm saying this because Bhandir, what the pastimes that happened, the pastime that I explained. Who is the director of this pastime? Lalita Devi. Because Lalita Devi is very very talkative.
हैं? बोलने में जैसे
She's expert in talking.
जोर से बोलते हैं ना लोग उतना उसके हाथ ताली में
The more louder someone speaks on mic, the people clap more and more. People don't even understand what the person is saying, but they just move their head. And when they speak in the mic loudly, people like, oh, very nice, wow, 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 wow. They don't even understand what they're saying, but they're like, oh, everyone's clapping, so we will clap also. So ghosts, what they come and speak, they don't know. You ask. You ask a person who is clapping, oh, what did this person saying? Then they say, I don't know, everyone's clapping, so that's why I'm also clapping. Happen or not?
वो क्या बोला
No one understand.
क्या बोला उसके हमें लेना देना क्या है एक ताली दिया हम तो
One person starts clapping, everyone stops clapping. Everyone is like a jackal, right? One jackal starts to bark, and all the other jackals start to bark also.
पब्लिक क्या है पब्लिक को नहीं पता है
Public is like this. They don't know.
बात सही है कि
True or not?
आपने जतर थिएटर देखा आपने
Have you seen theatre?
कहाँ देखा
Where?
पता है ना
Have you seen?
जो ड्रामा आदि करते हैं
They're doing drama, performance.
पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं
Maybe you don't understand, but everyone is clapping, then you also clap sometimes.
सिर्फ विजय भाई क्या है
But if you ask why are you clapping? Oh, I don't know, because everyone's clapping.
हैं? क्या बोला नहीं बोला हमें क्या
I don't care what they're doing, what they're speaking. Just one person clap, everyone start to clap, so I also clap.
आप इसलिए करें दो प्रकार के अभिसार
Two types of rendezvous pastimes, Abhisar.
कौन से अभिसार
What are they? One is in Shukla Paksha and one is in Krishna Paksha.
कृष्ण पक्ष अभिसार
The Krishna Paksha rendezvous, meeting with Krishna, there is only Vilas, like Kunja Vilas.
और शुक्ल पक्ष
And in Shukla Paksha Abhisar, those rendezvous pastimes, the Ras Krida, the perform Ras is there. Because Ras is always depend upon the moon. Moon is very important. If there is no moon,
कृष्ण के रास का माधुर्य का प्रकाश
the sweetness of Ras won't manifest.
अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट
Understanding or not?
व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड अवस्था तो अंधकार होता है अंधकार में रास नहीं होगा
On Amavasya, there is full dark night. So on dark night, Ras cannot happen.
Leela, during the daytime, the Leelas that happen in Radha Kund and in the world, forest.
उसी कहते हैं कुंज विलास है
This is called Kunj Vilas in the daytime, like Radha and Krishna are playing there. That is, one is Vilas and Ras, two different things. In Vilas, these pastimes are coming.
और रास में
In Ras, there is music, dance, and things like this.
रास और रस कदम्ब इति रास किंतु उसमें मेन रहता है
But the main thing is the music and dance, especially the dance of Srimati Radhika is called Holishya Nritya, and the dance done by Krishna is called Tandav Nritya.
कृष्ण के तांडव नृत्य
Krishna's Tandav Nritya and Radha and Gopis,
कौन से नृत्य होते हैं हल्ली तक नृत्य का
repeat.
है हल्ली सक
Holisak. Holisak Nritya.
तालों के ऊपर निर्भर करता है
It all depends on the rhythm of the legs. They are teaching how to tad tad din ta. All the legs move with the rhythm,
उठाते हैं
and they are picking up and how to hit the leg with the ground with how much pressure. Everything is explained.
किस प्रकार रखना है
How do you put the toe? Sometimes you put the heel.
किस प्रकार उठाना है
How do you lift it up? Those who learn dance,
कुछ वो देख रहे थे क्या जैसे
they are learning
देखा
this
कि नहीं देखा
in the rhythm. Then learn the rhythm.
आपके बहन कर रही थी उससे है नृत्य करने के पहले
Before dance,
वो पैरों के जो है जैसे
first they set up like do warm up with the legs. Like someone plays mridang, for example. Before there is rhythm, first
मृदंग के जो
they
सारे ताल को जो है
learn all the tals,
प्रैक्टिस करना
practice all the rhythms one by one, starting from the basics.
चालू कर जाए प्रैक्टिस करो है उसमें वो कीर्तन नहीं हो रहा, किंतु
They are not singing kirtan at that time, but all the tal, all the rhythm, beat structure, everything of kirtan they are understanding while in the start.
और कितने होते हैं?
Beat structure, rhythm.
वो पीछे वो पिक्चर है ऊपर
हाँ।
वो पिक्चर
हैं?
लेटेस्ट तो ये क्या है कुंज में है और
ये कुंज लीला आदि होते हैं, ये सब कुंज लीला आदि
This all is Kunja Leela. The picture that you see up there, this is Kunja Leela. Leela in Kunj.
ये जो है कोई
This is a Manjari.
है, और अपने भावों की प्रकाश
It's expressing her mood.
सब लोग मंजरी है सखी नहीं है ना
ये मंजरी भी तो सखी है।
Manjaris are also Sakhi, right? Are they Manjaris or Sakhi? Devotee asked. So Gurudev is saying all Sakhis are there, but Manjaris are Sakhis also.
मंजरी कहा जाता है।
But all are Sakhis. Nitya Sakhi is called Manjari. No one calls out Manjari. No one refers to someone as Manjari there.
जैसे कि आपका रूप मंजरी का है,
Like Rupa Manjari, you are saying.
नाम ही रूप मंजरी।
The name is Rupa Manjari, Lavanga Manjari. The name is it.
किंतु जब मंजरी
But
शब्द जो होता
when we use the word Manjari,
है, मंजरी जो है वो जिसको जो है नित्य सखी और प्राण सखी उसकी
Nitya
मंजरी।
Sakhi and Pran Sakhi, they are called Manjaris.
सभी तो सखी हैं,
All are Sakhis.
समझना चाहिए
You should understand this.
है। जैसे कह रहे हैं लवंग
Like we are saying Lavanga Manjari, Rupa Manjari.
है, वो सब सखी है।
All they are Sakhis.
क्या सखी है?
What Sakhi?
प्रिय सखी अथवा
Priya Sakhi or Pran Preshth Sakhi.
आज थोड़ा आप लोग के दिमाग को ठीक करना पड़ेगा।
You have to fix your brains to understand this.
ये सब सखियां हैं,
All they are Sakhis.
सखी नित्य सखी
Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Priya Sakhi, Preshth Sakhi, Pran Preshth Sakhi.
5 प्रकार की सखी,
5 type of Sakhis.
सब सखी में आ जाता
They all coming in category of Sakhis.
है। किंतु आप सोच रहे हैं जो
But you are thinking
रूप मंजरी,
the Rupa Manjari.
रूप मंजरी क्या है?
Rupa Manjari is
उसके नाम ही रूप मंजरी, रूप के
no,
साथ
like
मंजरी
the
का
Rup and Manjari, they both words are joined. The name is Rupa Manjari itself. So Manjari is not a separate word. Lavanga Manjari, Rati Manjari, it's their name.
है, विलास मंजरी,
Vilas Manjari,
कमल मंजरी
Kamal Manjari.
है, कमल। वो तो नाम के एक ही है, वो है अलग नहीं है। जैसे
They are joined together. Like the word is joined, right? It's one word.
है, हाँ? नहीं,
He would-
रूपा मंजरी के नाम है रूपा
The name is Rupa Manjari.
है। उनके पूरा
The
नाम ही है
name is Rupa Manjari.
है। आज जैसे एक second,
Like
कुंज
example
विहार।
in
कुंज
Kunja
के
Vihari.
विहार करने वाले कृष्ण के नाम हो गया
Krishna is one of the name is Kunja Vihari. Kunja is a separate word, Vihari is a separate word. If you join them together, one word is coming.
कुंज विहारी का
Kunja Vihari.
राधा
One who performs pastimes in the Kunja.
है। कुंज एक अलग शब्द है।
Kunja is separate word.
और विहार
Vihari
एक अलग शब्द है।
separate word.
किंतु दोनों
But
के
if you join them
कारण से
together, it becomes one word and it means a proper meaning, right? Krishna is called Kunja Vihari, Jai Radha Madhav, Kunja Vihari.
है, माधव
Madhav.
माँ की अलग कर दो और धव
And
को अलग
you
कर दो।
break down the word Ma and
माँ
Dhav.
माने सर्वलोक से
Ma means Srimati Radhika.
माँ हो गई।
Ma.
धव माने पति, माने
Dhav means
प्राण प्रिय।
the beloved, meaning the beloved of Srimati Radhika.
राधा जी के
That's
कहा
why
जाता है, एक कृष्ण की कहा जाता है
Krishna is called Madhav because he is the beloved of Srimati Radhika. So Ma,
शब्दों के
Dhav.
विन्यास आपको जानना पड़ेगा।
You have to understand the breakdown meaning of word. If you don't understand these words, you won't understand properly.
आप सोच रहे सब मंजरी है।
You are thinking all are Manjaris. No.
है। मंजू लाली
Manju Lali.
वो मंजरी है किंतु
Manjari,
लाली
but the name Manju Lali.
है, उसमें तो मंजरी शब्द नहीं
The word
प्रयोग
Manjari
नहीं
is not used for Manju Lali, but it is, she is Manjari.
हाँ, मंजू
Manju Lali.
उनके नाम है मंजू लाली
Name is Manju Lali.
है। किंतु वो मंजरी है।
But she is Manjari.
समझ, इसलिए शब्द विन्यास को जब तक
You have
नहीं
to
करेंगे,
understand the words with their meanings. If you break down, you won't understand. You have to understand
इसलिए
everything.
शब्द विन्यास को जानना।
Shabda Vinyas.
how to derive
how to derive derivation of the word.
शब्द के विन्यास करते हैं, derivation, इसलिए derivation की जरूरत होती है.
That's why derivation of the words is important.
ये सब संस्कृत में
In Sanskrit, like we break down, if we don't understand derivation in Sanskrit, we cannot understand, because many words break down and they join and they mean. So Manjulali is Manjari or not? The word Manjari is not written.
रूप के साथ मंजरी का है.
And with Roop they are saying Rupa Manjari.
ये सब
So like this it is explained.
जैसे अनेक सखियों के मंजरी के नाम है जिसके साथ मंजरी शब्द प्रयोग नहीं किया गया.
Like there are many sakhis where the word Manjari is not used.
इतना ही सुन लिया ही अच्छा है.
Okay, just this you understand, it's enough.
इतना ही सबसे याद रखो.
Just you remember, Radha ji, there are 5 types of sakhis: Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Priya Sakhi and Pran Pratishta Sakhi.
2 नंबर और 3 नंबर के जो सखियां,
The sakhis on 2nd and 3rd, in among these 5 they are called Manjaris. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi.
इनको कहा जाता है मंजरी.
Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, they are called Manjaris.
जो लोग राधा जी के प्रति
Manjaris, they are those who are one-pointedly devoted to Srimati Radhika.
राधा जी के प्रति एकांतिक निष्ठा.
Those who have one-pointed devotion towards Srimati Radhika are called Manjaris.
मंजरी का, जिसमें बाबुल्लाह सरस्वती आग
Bhavullah Sarati manifest, and it completely condenses in the heart.
एकांतिक निष्ठा नहीं उसके.
If there is no one-pointed faith in for Srimati Radhika, then they are not Manjari. So other 3 types of Sakhi,
राधा निष्ठा सखी,
Radha, there are 3 types: Radha Nishta Sakhi, neutral, and Krishna Nishta Sakhi. One are devoted to Radha, one devoted to Krishna, and one devoted to both.
ये राधा निष्ठ सखी,
So the Radha Nishta Sakhis, these are called Manjaris.
उसके साथ मंजरी जोग होता हो अथवा नहीं.
Whether the word Manjari is connected to their name or not, it does not matter.
समझे ना? जैसे मैंने कहा
Like I said,
मंजरी का,
which Manjari I told, Manju Lali. The word Manjari is not coming, but she is a Manjari.
राधा निष्ठा मेरा
She is Radha Nishta.
आज दूसरे साथ पे
But-
ये नहीं लगाया गया, मंजरी शब्द नहीं लगाया गया.
The word Manjari is not coming for Manjulali.
किंतु साधारण लोग सोचते हैं जो जिसके
But
नाम
ordinary
पर
people
मंजरी
think
लगा हुआ है,
if
वो
you put
मंजरी, और बाकी
Manjari
क्या?
on someone's name, then it is a Manjari, but others are not. No, it's not like this. What is the meaning of Sakhi?
प्रिय सखी किसको
What is the meaning of
कहते
Priya
हैं?
Sakhi? What is the meaning of Prana Sakhi? Pran Prash Sakhi? You have to understand all these definitions by derivations of each of them.
आज ये सब विवरण जब तक नहीं
If you don't understand, then you won't.
बोलो भाई गोविंदाय नमः.
The confusion will come.
जैव धर्म ठीक से पढ़ो.
Now read Deva Dharma, everything is there. What is a Sakhi?
प्राण सखी किसको कहा
What is
जाता है?
Pran Sakhi?
पृष्ठ सखी किसको कहा जाता है? प्राण पृष्ठ.
Preshta Sakhi, Pran Presh Sakhi, every all definitions are there.
ये सुन तक चिंता है.
You have to learn this.
So night time lila, that is called Ras Lila. Ras. When will be Ras? Ras means is there are many meanings of Ras. Means Rasa Kadamvati Ras. Rasa Kadamvati mainly that is called what is called Nitya Geet. And Alimancham Kumman Adi Nitya Geet.
Music, dance, embracing, kissing.
रास के बारे में समझना चाहिए. रास किसको कहा जाता है?
About Ras it is explained.
रसते आसाद्यते इति रास. जैसे कि कृष्णा चक्रवर्ती
Mithila Chakravarti is explaining Madhupan Leela. There are many Leelas.
समावेश के उसके
If you join them, it is called Ras. Like Madhupan Leela is also coming in Ras Leela.
18 प्रकार
18 types of
संभोगमय लीला प्रकार
meeting pastimes. When they are collected together, then it is called Ras.
कितने
18 types of
मीटिंग लीला जब
18
होता है,
types of meeting
तो
lila
उसको
when
कहा
they
जाता
happen,
है
it is called
संपूर्ण रास होता
proper ras.
है। रास किसको कहते हैं? अच्छी
What is ras? You must understand clearly.
श्रील रूप गोस्वामी पाद
Srila Rupa Goswami Pad
उज्ज्वल निर्मणि ग्रंथ
in
में
Ujjwal Nilamani
ये 18 प्रकार
explain
लीलाओं की
18
है
types of different meeting pastimes,
है। और उसमें सभी क्या है? मीटिंग लीला भी रहता
and
है।
all these are in meeting pastimes.
विरह आकर के उसको क्या क्या करते हैं?
The separation comes and
पुष्टि कराते
just it completing the meeting.
हैं। क्योंकि विरह नहीं
Because
हो,
if without separation,
संभोग मिलन की लीला की
meeting pastime
कर्षता नहीं हो।
cannot be beautiful.
बिना विप्रलंबे
That's why this slok is coming.
ये विरह आदि क्या करते हैं? लीला को
This separation
माने मिलन लीला की पुष्टि कराते हैं।
completes the meeting.
इस प्रकार
Just as like
समुद्र में
in
अगाध
ocean,
जलराशि है।
there is a lot of huge, there is so much water, it never dries up. But yet,
समस्त नदियां
all the rivers,
जब मिलते
they come and they meet in
हैं,
ocean.
और उसमें समुद्र की
At that time, the
सौंदर्य माधुर्य और
beauty
भी
of ocean increases even more.
स्फीत हो जाता है। समझे ना?
It becomes completely overflow.
समुद्र में जल कमी नहीं है।
There is no lack of water in the ocean. This is true. There is infinite amount of water in the ocean, but
बरसात के समय
during rainy season,
समस्त नदी नाला के जल कहाँ पर आ
all the
जाते हैं?
rivers, all the water meets in ocean.
और समुद्र में आकर के
And when they meet,
जल की स्तर और भी बढ़ा देते
the water overflows in the ocean.
हैं। और हवा की
And
जितने चलते हैं समुद्र की लहरियां उतना ही वो
all the
बढ़ते रहते हैं।
more the wind blows, the more waves start to increase. And when due to the forces presented by moon and sun, the waves are moving.
ये तो विशेष
But
करके
especially
रात्रि काल में
at night time,
समुद्र की आकर्षण से
because of attraction by the moon,
लहरियां और भी सब
the waves become even more fierce,
है।
more strong.
चंद्रमा की सौंदर्य माधुर्य कब प्रकाश होता है?
Beauty of moon manifests when? Not during daytime.
रात्रि काल।
At night time, moon is more beautiful.
और वो रात्रि काल में होने पर भी
And
एकादशी से लेकर के
and at night from Ekadashi to Purnima.
पूर्णिमा में चंद्रमा जो है
On Purnima, the moon,
जल को आकर्षण करता है।
it attracts so much, pulls so much water towards upside. So the waves become even more strong.
पूर्णिमा के दिन समुद्र की
That's why on the day of full moon night, if you go to a beach, you can see the sea is very dangerous. Ocean becomes very dangerous.
10 गुना
10 times more dangerous it is at night if you compare it to the daytime.
रात्रि काल में पूर्णिमा तिथि और रात्रि काल में
On full moon day,
समुद्र की
Purnima at night time, the ocean is very, very dangerous.
भ्रमण पड़ता है। यही तो कहानी है।
So like this explanation is coming.
जो जितना समझते हो आप सुनते रहो तभी तुम समझ
Okay, keep listening, one day you will understand for sure.
केवल अभिसार केवल
I was telling about
सिंगराणि
Abhisar.
भवतीम् अभिसारयन् इच्छैव कान्तवदनं परिवित्तजन्ति धित्वाञ्चलिनो हरिसन्निधानम् आनयसि सम्प्राप्तर्जुन सुधा ऋषिता भवानी। ऐसे तो विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is saying,
राधा जी कृष्ण के साथ मिलने के लिए इतने उत्कंठावती हुए।
to meet Krishna, Srimati Radhika is in, he wants to meet so much that Abhisarani.
राधा जी सुंदर श्रृंगार आदि करके
Srimati Radhika, this beautiful Shringar,
वस्त्र अलंकार
And
आदि
she-
के द्वारा विभूषित होकर के अपने प्राण प्रियतम कृष्ण के साथ मिलने के लिए
she wants to meet with Krishna.
है।
And
कांत विलोक
Kanta Vilok, a Sakhi,
राधा जी के हाथ पकड़ करके लेकर के जा रही है
is holding the hand of Srimati Radhika to make him meet with Krishna.
है? और
And
जब कृष्ण जब राधा जी
when Radha, Srimati
कृष्ण के
Radhika
निकट में आ गए
is coming close to
है,
Krishna,
और राधा जी कृष्ण के देख करके
after seeing
क्या होते
Krishna,
हैं?
Srimati Radhika,
कांतो वदनम परिवित्त जानती। कृष्ण की
is this working?
मुख देख करके राधा जी के क्या हो गया?
After seeing
मान
the,
हो गया। जो कृष्ण
after
के
seeing
मिलने
Krishna,
से
Srimati Radhika became angry.
हो रही थी।
She was feeling so much separation from Krishna, and when that Sakhi,
राधा जी की हाथ पकड़
they grabbed the hand of Srimati Radhika and they went to the Kunja to meet with Krishna. They're taking him there. Understanding? Srimati Radhika wants to meet also, but at that time, Abhisa Rani Srimati Radhika became so much curious to meet with Krishna. Now it's Paran time.
It's 10:29 to 10:38.
Bring Jagannath Prasad.
और जगन्नाथ प्रसाद कहाँ रखा है? मेरे को टेबल पर रखा है लिया। हाँ, सबके जल्दी दे दो।
Everyone.
10:29 हो गया कि नहीं?
It's 10:29.
10:29 to 10:38.
हाँ? नहीं हुआ। देते हो जाएगा ना?
Okay, everybody take.
हाँ, हाथ में रखो, जब 10:30 हो जाएगा तब
Keep it in your hands and track the time at right at 10:30 each this.
तब दक्षिणा दे।
Okay.
भागवत में दक्षिणा नहीं दिया क्या?
Now.
No, 10.
You took a name? 10:29. ले लिए सब। हाँ।
Now we can.
First Guru Deva.
Sorry. 10:38. It's up to 10:38.
सब ले लिया? चलो वृंदावन जी आए। चलो राधा रानी की जय। तुमने लिया कि नहीं? हो गया। सब विचार कर लिया। वो विचार करना है। विक्षैव कांत वदनम सिंगाराणि पुलिसानि विक्षैव कांत वदनम। जब राधा के साथ मिलने के लिए
Srimati Radhika is going to meet Krishna.
कि राधा जी को सुंदर रूप में सजाया।
So he is a beautifully decorated Srimati Radhika, and Srimati Radhika is on the doorstep of the Kunja.
और राधा जी कृष्ण के
And
जब देखा,
when she saw Krishna,
राधा जी क्या हो गया? मान
then Srimati Radhika became angry,
सखियों के जय,
and the Sakhis,
उस मंजरी बात सखी के राधा जी डांट
Srimati Radhika is chastising the Manjari Sakhis. Why have you brought me here? Are you why?
है। और उस समय वो
At that time,
राधा जी मान करके
Srimati Radhika became angry and she
है, बबी जाना
again started to go back.
तो उस समय वो सखी
At
क्या
that
करती
time,
है?
Sakhi,
राधा के अंधितांचलेन
Dhritanjalena, meaning
चल पकड़ करके
they grabbed the sari of Srimati Radhika and pull her back again. That time Srimati Radhika, she
है, साधारण भक्तन
chastised even more. Why are you grabbing my cloth? So in the shloka it is coming like this.
सिंगर आनी
Shringane,
हितांचलेन हरिसन्निधामनानि संप्राप्त तर्जन सुधा विशितान भवानी। यहाँ पर करें जिस समय श्रीमती राधिका
Time when Srimati Radhika,
गर्जन गर्जन करते हुए
when she chastises the Manjari and Sakhis, when she
आकर्षण करेगी तब
chastises
ये
us,
सुधा
then
को मैं पान करते रहूंगी।
that nectar flowing from her lips I will keep on drinking. The Manjari is saying like this. Sankalp Kalpadrum by Vishnunath Chakravarti Pal. Sankalp Kalpadrum. So chastisement is the nectar.
हैं?